if at first you don't succeed,
you're not using enough fire!
Hi everybody and welcome back. So today we're going to work on making a new anvil stand because the old one is a bit unsafe. We've taken apart the OH&S violation from before and we're left with my 45 kilo anvil. So let's launch right into that and we'll start with a stump. Okay, so now that we've got the stump rounded off, we've got some plate steel that we're going to use as a platform for the anvil. Then we'll use some angle iron to make a bit of a frame around it so that ideally it'll be welded into there and it can't move anywhere. At least that's the plan. So the next step was going to be to char the anvil stump in order to help preserve it before we put a layer of oil over the top. However, the tool that I was going to use to char it with, unfortunately, has got a leak in the hose. So it would be really unsafe to use this. But then I remembered, hang on a minute, I have a gas forge. So instead of doing something really unsafe, how about instead we do something really unsafe? And I really should preface this before I go any further. Adults, children, you really do not do what I'm about to do. I shouldn't be doing what I'm about to do. But you know, they say, if at first you don't succeed,
You're not using enough fire!
this is definitely not as fun as the last part was to do. Now I know I'm forgetting something. Chains.
Oh, so much better.
So what next? Well, I decided that I should probably learn how to make some more things. So I went and booked to go do another blacksmithing course, and that's coming up very soon, which I'm really keen for. And hopefully I'll come out of that having gained the skills to be able to make some Christmas presents. So we'll see what happens. Anyhow, thank you so much everyone for coming along with this one. I really do appreciate it. If you enjoyed this one, chuck us a like, it really does help. And if you want to see when the next video drops, just click the subscribe button. But other than that, please everyone look after yourselves, be safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.